LanguageCert, Achiever B1, Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you Rakesh, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Can you spell your family name?
Sure. It's Vanga.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from India.
Thank you. Now, part one. I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your ideas.
Okay.
Let's talk about the place where you live. What is the most beautiful place you have ever been to?
There is a famous river. There is near my hometown. That will be amazing. But I have never been there.
Let's talk about photography. What makes a photograph important to you?
Yeah, the photographs it will create the it will actually photograph itself a memory. It will create the recreates the situations. So it's always a memorable moments with the photographs.
Let's talk about money management. How important is it to save money for the future?
It's definitely important to the saving money for the future kids, for their education, for our health. We cannot predict the future, so for the future child education purpose or our health purpose, we need to save the money.
Let's talk about personal comfort. Which is the most comfortable room in your house and why?
Comfortable room is my bedroom, because I just always relax in my bedroom. I will not think about anything apart from that. So I will always prefer bedroom to relax.
Let's talk about qualification and examinations. How successful in life can a person be if they don't have any qualifications?
If there is no any qualification, that is difficult to get the success without doing any qualification. So it's important to do studies are very important.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ready.
Now, part two, we are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation.
Okay.
I'm your new teacher. We are waiting for one of your classmates to arrive. He's late. I start. Is he always late?
No, teacher. This is his first time. Actually, he's a class topper.
Oh, that's all right. How long it's been he's in the school?
Is it 2 years? Since 2 years?
Okay, but do you think it's okay that he is coming late? Have you called him and asked him what's wrong with him?
Yeah, because of his bus delayed. That's the reason he came late.
Oh, all right. And do you know when he will arrive?
Approximately 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right then. We will discuss something else and then I hope so. I just want everybody to be in the class because it's my first day today.
Okay, no problem. Shall we continue the class? I will teach him.
Yeah, you can take notes for him.
Yeah,
I
I will
hope
take that.
he'll arrive in 30 minutes. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the
No
end of
problem.
this is the end of situation one. Now, second situation. We are friends. You've invited me to the theater tomorrow, but I haven't answered. You start.
Hello, my friend. What happened to you? Why didn't you answer to me?
Well, I was busy. I was at work.
Oh, what about movie tomorrow?
What time?
Is it 7 p.m. tomorrow?
You know, I'd be
That,
busy. I'd be really, really busy tomorrow. Can we shift it to another day?
oh, really? Oh, okay. No problem. We'll shift on weekend.
Right. And can you please decide any time late in the evening? Not like
That,
early evening is not okay with me.
okay. Your wish.
Can we arrange a show by 11 p.m. at night?
Oh, it will be too late. There will be no transportation to come back home. we'll plan some other day on Sunday morning. What about Sunday morning?
Sunday morning would just be perfect. And then we're gonna eat breakfast outside too.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna go to our favorite place together. But who'll pay for it?
No problem. It's my treat. I will pay for that.
Oh, that's fantastic. I'll definitely join you on Sunday morning.
Yeah, see you there.
Thank you for inviting me. We definitely enjoy each other's company.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is the end of part 2. Now, part 3, we're going to discuss something together. Our English class is bringing out a school magazine. We need to decide what to put in it. Let's ask and answer questions to help us make some decisions. I'll start. I think we should put advice about exam preparation in the magazine as students struggle with how to handle time and how to prepare for the exams. What do you say?
Yeah, I completely agree with you. That should be in the school magazine because the students should aware the exam preparation. They can follow the timetable and everything. That should be okay. And what about the articles about school life that will show the school history? What about that articles about school life? Can we add into the school magazine?
Yes.
That will shows the school history and all. Am I right?
Yeah.
And secondly, what about the photographs from school trips? That can shows the previous passed out students pictures as well. So that will be good, I think, for the school magazine. So everyone will see and surprise by seeing their photos. What do you say?
Yeah, that is going to be brilliant too.
Yeah, and jokes and cartoons also will include in the school magazine, but that will be in the last page because that is not mandatory, right? We can keep it in the last page. What do you say?
Yeah, that's a good idea too.
And sports news is compulsory for the students because it is for their health and mental health and physical health. So sports news also will include in this magazine. Is that okay, right?
Yeah, that's all right.
And school future events as well. Everyone should aware that news. So we have to include the school future events as well.
Yeah, that's all right. That's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. In part 4, you're going to talk about something for 90 seconds, and your topic is why other people should play your favorite sport. You have 30 seconds to take your notes.
Okay.
Now, please talk about why other people should play your favorite sport. You have 90 seconds and your time begins now.
Okay. My favorite sport is cricket. Over the many years, cricket is a popular game. That's the reason many people likes and their favorite game is cricket. Actually, cricket is between two teams, and each team required 11 players. And the cricket is for both men and women. And the team with the maximum runs to win the match. And the team win the toss to get choose whether willing bat or ball, because I'll choose normally batting. And uh, by seeing the live match in the stadium, that will give the best experience, because supporters of the team will screaming and encouraging their respective teams. As a supporter, I will also support my favorite team. Anyway, the cricket will gives makes interesting and exciting, and cricket makes us emotional. It's interesting because no one knows which team is going to win, and it is exciting because it attracts the people from all over the country, and it makes us emotional. And that's why cricket is my favorite game. That's why most of the people like the game. So that's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, I would want to ask you some follow-up questions about why other people should play your favorite sport. What are the
Okay.
basic rules of this sport?
Basic rules. The bowler has to bowl only six balls in a over, and there will be a limited boundary. And if the batsman hit the ball outside of the ground, it will be six. And normally, cricket will be three forms. One is the Test format and 2020 format and 50 hours format. 50 hours format will take a day, and the Test match will go 5 days. And 2020 will be just completed within 4 hours. And match having two umpires, and each team having 11 each 11 players. These are the main rules.
All right. And do you prefer to play or watch sports?
I prefer to play the sport because it's my favorite sport. Uh, if I'm at home with my friends, I wish to play in the street cricket. If it is an international match, I used to watch in the television.
All right. What other sports would you like to learn?
I would like to learn soccer, volleyball, football, because this also makes us emotional. So I would like to try football as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have passed, and I think your score for this one is good. It's pretty much around 42 or 43, right?